Hello everyone, I am Amit and welcome to the channel. In this video, I am going to tell you about an internship opportunity that has been published by Chennai Metro Rail Limited. Let's first discuss about the eligibility criteria for this internship. The students who are doing engineering and currently in their third or fourth year, they can apply for this internship. The eligible branches are electrical, mechanical, electronics and communication, IT, civil and environment. The students who are currently doing CA studies also can apply for this internship. Now let's talk about how and where to apply for this internship. There are two links that you can see on your mobile screen. In the first links there are all the information regarding the internship, and in the second link there is an application form that you need to fill to apply for this internship. So if you want to read the information regarding the internship, you need to open the first link, and if you want to apply, then open the second link. After clicking the second link, you will be redirected to the page that you can see on your screen. This form is of 3 steps. On the first step, you need to enter the name, father's name and all the basic details regarding you. This page is pretty simple. So I am not going to show you how to fill the first page of your application form. But one thing I want to tell you that there is a section called middle name that you can see on your screen. So in this place, if you don't have your middle name, then just enter space here. You will be good to go. And if you have your middle name, then enter your middle name, then you also will be good to go for the next step of the form. After completion of the first page of your form, you will be redirected to the second page that looks like this. On first step, you need to enter your 10th details. In standard, you just need to enter here 10. Okay. Similarly, you need to enter your 12th school name here, and in standard you just need to enter your 12th here. And in course you can select science if you have science background. Okay. Then if you have done your undergraduation, enter your college name here and name of your degree, like if you are from civil engineering, enter civil here. If you are from mechanical engineering, enter mechanical here. And if you have done your post graduation, then enter this field here, otherwise leave this field empty. Same here for CA qualification. As I have told earlier in this video is also for CA students. So if you have done your CA, then enter the details, otherwise skip the details for the CA section. And same for here, if you have any other qualification, then enter your college name here and all the details here in the upcoming sections. Now, here you need to enter your branch. If you are from civil, then select civil, otherwise select electrical. Whatever your branch is, you need to select that branch here. The most tricky part of this internship form is to find a referral. If you have any relatives or friend, then you can enter their details here. But if you don't have any relatives or friend who work in Chennai Metro, I am going to provide you a solution for this problem. What you need to do is open the LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a website that has been run by Microsoft team. Okay, it's a completely free and it is the best platform for you to find any kind of job or internship opportunities. Okay, what you need to do here is open search here Chennai Metro Rail Limited. Okay, like I am doing here Chennai Metro Rail Limited, and yeah, open the website, and the official page of Chennai Metro Rail Limited will look like this. And you can see here there are 268 employees on LinkedIn who worked in Chennai Metro Rail Limited. You need to open this here and you will see all the details here who are working in Chennai Metro. There are many persons. You can message any one of them so that they provide you a referral and you can enter then their details here. After successful completion of your second page of the form, you will be redirected to the third page. Here you need to enter the 3 languages you know. I can suggest you Hindi, English or any other your local language that you know, and after that you will submit and your application will be submitted at the Chennai Metro Rail Limited. Okay. Now I am going to tell you about the selection procedure for this internship. After you successfully finish the application form, they will shortlist the candidate on their profile basis. And They will then take the interview of the shortlisted candidates, and if you clear the interview successfully, they will provide you the 3-month internship. No internship is complete without a stipend, so they are going to provide you a 10,000 per month stipend, which is a pretty good amount for a beginner level. Okay, now that's it guys for this video. I hope you enjoy this video. If you are facing any trouble while filling the form, please let me know in the comment section. I will be happy to help you. So that's it. See you in the next video. Thank you guys.